Hey guys, as you can see behind us, we're at Bowling Green, getting ready for LS Fest. All the drift cars are here. It is Thursday night. We're going to check them out. Don't forget, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, turn your bell notification on. It will let you know we'll be at LS Fest all weekend, getting content for you guys. Let's check these rides out. This one?
I was surprised. I didn't think any of them.
Wow.
That just kind of bubbled through.
When we tell her we're going to the track, she gets crazy. She loves it. But this is
Wow.
wow, I found it.
We'll be soon, dude.
All right, you guys, which one's your favorite? They're all amazing. Heavy horsepower cars that are here. Don't forget, if you haven't yet, hit the bell notification. You'll get notified when we post LS Fest from this weekend.
No other support other than just that car.
That's cool.
Look at that one.
There he is.
You guys, every one of these cars do have an LS motor in it. It's kind of hard nighttime, but getting the best videos. We'll get more at the show tomorrow. But if you're in Bowling Green area, make sure to check out LS Fest this weekend. I've been for the last 4 years, and it is an amazing event.
Yeah, I'm on the the ivy around the springs in the van. We're going to Beach Bend.
This thing is wild. Twin turbo. You're good. It's gonna happen all weekend.
This thing's low-key kind of cool.
Right?
I want to jump this thing.
right, guys, what'd you think? A lot of cool cars. We'll get content of them all weekend. Make sure if you haven't yet, subscribe. Check out video on the left and the right hand side. We'll see you guys tomorrow at LS Fest.